Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on the installation of a 25-litre water tank with a soap dispenser in my work utility. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers! This is the tank. It's a heavy duty one, and I got it off Gough Plastics, and I paid full price. I always pay full price for everything here, and it's $231 including the GST. I buy it off Gough Plastics because they're local and also they are good quality. You can buy it cheaper on the internet, but these come with fitting brackets and everything else you need to fit a water tank to the back of a utility. So that's what this video is about, and I do hope you like this video. So that is the water tank. It's called a tougher tank underbody. They are reversible, but this one I got to go on the left hand side of the utility. Soap dispenser, and that, as I say, they are reversible if you wish, but this one's already set up the way I want it. That goes there. It's going to go into there on the side of my utility. With this kit you get the soap dispenser, a good quality tap, that's the fill. These are the bolts. You get bolts here and a bolt there, bolt there and a bolt there. I think there's also a bolt underneath it. That's a drain. There's also a bolt there if you need that. Also comes with two brackets and the instruction manual. A 25-litre checker plate underbody water tank, and that's all the instructions with it here. Now, Gough Plastics are a local company at 833 Ingham Road, the Bowley, and it's very, very good quality stuff. Nice thick. I've got the 50-litre underbody water tank in my Hilux, in my other Hilux, so this is going into my work Hilux. The brackets are stainless steel, There's two of them, one on either side of the tank. So they'll go like that and like that. Now there's also several holes on the sides, so you've got 1, 2 and 3 positions, so you can have it higher or lower. I'm going to be using the lower setting, which will then get past these tight end points on my utility. I don't want to cut them off. When we sell it, we can put the sides back on it, sell as a complete unit. So, and that'll give me enough place to use the fill. The fill hung, it'll be just below here, so it'll be about there. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm not going to show you the drilling the holes. There's no need for me to do that. Anybody can drill holes. I've just mounted the brackets. They're loose, they can be moved around. I want them tight because I can tighten them up later, but they need a bit of movement so I can locate it in the best possible spot. Well, I've blocked it up to roughly where I want it. I'm going to have to raise it to the next lot of holes up, and up here to space the ribs that are under the tray I had to use some solar panel rail. I just had a couple of short pieces lying around, so I used them, and I've used the bolts and the nuts that go through solar panels. So yeah, so that's roughly where it's going to be, but I'm going to raise it up probably to the next lot or the one above it. I'll just see how they go. But that's where it is at the moment. Got it on blocks, bits of wood, just to set it in there. And it looks alright where it is now. So yeah, I'm going to continue with it, and I'm going to bolt it up and then raise it up, and then show you the finished product. So what I've done is I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. They're the self-drilling ones with the drill heads on them. The hex head drill point. So there's 10 of them in there, which will hold it up, which is probably overdoing it, but I don't want to fall down, and why not? I can get them in there, and it took a bit of trouble, but I got them all in there. So it's all mounted now, just got to put it up. Okay, it is all finished now. It's all in place. That's the filler cap there. I haven't filled the soap up yet. And you just turn your tap on, you get plenty of water. 25 litres of water there. I've used the middle settings on the brackets, the stainless steel brackets. And it fits there and looks good. So to summarise it, it's the Gough Plastics tougher tank, under body one. You can get a right and a left, but they are reversible. So this is the one I wanted for here. Comes with the stainless steel brackets and the bolts that are on the tank. I had to make up the brackets that went onto the utility because they just didn't line up. So I used solar panel rail and the bolts and the nuts that go in the solar panel rails. Makes it easier. Allen key heads in here, and the little clip that fits in between the two shoulders of the rail. And that way I can adjust it as I got it up. So that's it there. Nice, neat, tidy, fits in. I can undo the diesel cap, and it looks nice and neat and tidy there. You can see the rails here. They're the solar panel rails, and they go into these slots here, like Unistrut. You could probably use Unistrut and get the bolts for the Unistrut and do the same thing. Because the canopy inside this canopy is made of Unistrut as well. I have the bolts for that. But yeah, that's it there. The Gough Plastics underbody tank, 25 litres. Stainless steel fittings and all that. Looks nice and neat and tidy. Well, I hope you like this video. The 25 litre tank is mainly used for washing things and washing my hands after a job. And then you can put the disinfectant on them or whatever you need to do with COVID around. But yeah, I'm always working on ovens and things like that, and I get greasy hands, so it's going to help with my work a lot. And if you even go camping, you can use them for camping. 25 litres for just washing a few things will go a long way. Solid, very, very solid container, checker plate container, thick stainless steel brackets and bolts and screws, and it's fairly easy to install depending on the ute body you have. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.